Welcome to CJ Why Money Entertainment. And if you've never been to my channel before, I'm CJ and I get happy when I get a box. Because there's always something special in the box. And I get to use my knife on the box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. Bubble wrap, we don't need that. Oh, this came from, this is good. This came from Facebook giveaway. So I won this. And wow, but they sent me a power bank and a bookmarker. It comes in this nice sleeve. It's a good company. Their stuff works wonderful. And this is a 15,000 cell energy power bank, and it comes with these cord, and I like this cord because it's the ones that don't kink. It's not plastic, it's cord material, and it comes with adapters, which is cool. So if you got an iPhone, it could do iPhone. If you got an Android, it could do that. It also does a different USB, a micro input, a USB output, a power indicator, a power button, and a USB output. This is good, the power banks, if you need to charge your cell phone. I use it to charge my PS4 game system controller. And thank you, this is so nice, this is so nice. Okay, and I got something else in the box too. Don't need the box. This is a protective case. It's for iPhone 12. I don't have an iPhone 12. I have an iPhone 6 Plus. So I will be giving this away probably for a Christmas gift. So if you have an iPhone 12, hit me up in the comments and you may receive this for a Christmas gift. This is protective against bumps, shocks, dust, scratches, and it's brand new, and I will be giving this away. I got another package. Oh my, it's rechargeable cords. I will be giving some cords away for Christmas gifts. If you have an iPhone or an iPad or iPod, hit me up in the comments and you may receive one of these for a Christmas gift. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuffing things.